The Supreme Court has formally cleared former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in the Talabira-II coal block allocation case, bringing an end to a legal battle that lasted more than a decade. A bench headed by Chief Justice Surya Kant accepted the CBI's closure report and set aside a 2015 trial court order that had summoned Singh as an accused. The court held that the trial court had erred by rejecting the CBI's findings despite the investigating agency concluding that there was no prosecutable offense. The Supreme Court had also expunged adverse remarks made against the former Prime Minister, observing that there was no material to establish criminal intent or corruption. Singh, who passed away on December 27, 2024, now stands formally exonerated in one of the most prominent cases linked to the coal allocation controversy. The case centered on the 2005 allocation of the Talabira-II coal block in Odisha to Hindalco Industries when Manmohan Singh was also handling the coal ministry. In 2015, a special CBI court had summoned Singh, industrialist Kumar Mangalam Billa, former coal secretary P.C. Parak, Hindalco Industries and two company officials on charges including criminal conspiracy and corruption. The Supreme Court had stayed those summons shortly afterwards. The CBI had consistently maintained that there was insufficient evidence to prosecute and had filed closure reports. However, the trial court refused to accept them and sought further examination of Singh and senior PMO officials. The judgment closes the legal chapter of the coal gate controversy, a case that had cast a shadow over Manmohan Singh's second term in office and became a major political issue ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha election.